Bwanyuma y'ebire bihoyireho ebichunchu okurebwaho mu rurembo rwa Kasese ahiye ebichunchu ebyitire entishatu omuri phase 2 sero muri Nyamwamba division abaturage borekero kwerarikirira ahabwa amagara gabo nuko kwaya barukutaho bwirobo abo kwerarikirira bwenyamishwa nkezi ezo mu kishaka.
In case they don't come within 2 days, for us we are going to do what? To go and handle it and kill it. I think we are not going to be responsible. And to it is a chisoro chavo. Do you want to tell government? I just respecting the law. Of course we are respecting the law, and that's why we are even calling the Uwe people to come and see.
So kati abantu sawa zino nga mukama w'embuzi eyo ebadde egenda kuvako school fees y'omwana we naye sawa zino yajiridde. Mbadde nsaba muje tulabire wamu mumusasule ate gundi laniyo mumugitwale.
Abebembezi babutosha ba government kuwe yangusyaho okora orwo rw'amashi okwehinguririza package okwehara enyamishwezi okubatahirra
na rwabojo bakeba mahira kwebebwa balikiriwa mbaka bakatubulira yamare bwayit so cyo mwana obukali akarera esa hano ate bakeba kamenye yikali omundu bamenya mbwendale nien because eriri shomben cyamare kibikiriria indendale nien nerba matandasa bakasendayo.
Omwami kati ya Michael n'omukyala we ababeire bari bakama b'embuzi ezicwekerezibwe Entare nabashabangu habeho okurehererwa okwihikire aha batungi abarikuferwa amatungo gabo.
Era ne bano mbadde mbasaba bateke nnyo obukumi ku nsolo zaabo zino bazikume bulungi naye kati gavumenti mbadde gikubiriza nze bankompensatinge bansasule wanga zino zezibadde ziwerera abaana fees
tuyambe munabira musamusa basaba nda kisoro cyabo kundi nje cyabinyi bihire cyabire shambene shayi kandi cyo sikango tichefizi y'abana ese ndengana sula abana babamendo ko skuru ese lo sisiyereho nasire ndingo tichefizi y'abana babenga bana kwa butala munabira musamusa basaba nda kisoro cyabo kandi banyiyambe bangotikaye basube shambene shayi.
Okurugerura Hanji Bashir omugambirizi w'ekitongore ky'ebyapaka ekya Uganda Wildlife Authority wa ombugufo nashobora ngu omuhigo gw'okusherura entarezi n'okugenda omu maisho yarabura abantu babutosha okurekeraho okuhiga ezinyamishwa ez'entare barukozesa embwa arikushobora ngu nikibasa kurugeruramu omuntu okuferwa amagara ge.
We are aware of the lions that moved out of the park and the community has actually notified us. And we sent our team on the ground to ensure that the people are safe, but also the lions are safe. Among others, our colleagues on the ground are supposed to ensure that the lions do not cause any danger to anyone, and also to ensure that the communities do not try to mobilize themselves and attack the lions. They should not even think of hunting it using dogs. That's even more dangerous. And our team will try as much as possible to ensure that they push the lions back into the park.
Obwo omuhigo gw'okusherura entarezi guri kugenda omu maisho nitwijagumizamu okwisyaho amakuru agarikugurugamu ahabwa